Today we will go for what is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids, the organic compound containing carboxyl functional group are called carboxylic acid. What is carboxyl functional group? COOH. This is a carboxylic functional group, organic compound which contain carboxyl functional group is called carboxylic acid. What is the carboxyl? Carboxyl means the compound containing, this is a carbonyl. Previous class we have discussed aldehyde and ketones are called carbonyl, and which contain hydroxy group, carbonyl as well as hydroxy group. First one is carbonyl, functional group, and this is a carbonyl, and this one is hydroxy functional group. Both carbonyl and hydroxy functional group is called carboxy. This is called carboxy, hydroxy and carbonyl compound, that is called as carboxylic compound, carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid which contain aliphatic carboxylic acid and aromatic carboxylic acid. If the long chain of carboxylic acid, is also called that is fatty acid. Long chain carboxylic acid is found in nature. Okay, long chain carboxylic acid is found in nature. If you go for above acetyl carbon, it is a waxy solid that is called as fatty acid. Coming to here, the carboxylic acid, it is a common name and IUPAC name is there. First we will go for, before going the IUPAC name, carboxylic acid, it is a sum of compounds is on the basis of sources. This is the one of the carboxylic acid, the name is formic acid. It is obtained from, it is a formiceous, it is a red ant, it is a sources, it is a, on the basis of sources, the red ant or formiceous which contain formic acid, 30 to 40% of formic acid. That's why the name is formicus is there, that's why they put it is a formic acid. Common name. Coming to the another one, vinegar plant is there. The vinegar plant, it is a acetum. Acetum is a vinegar plant name, botanical name. It is which contain, it is a 40 to 50% of acetic acid. That plant which contain acetic acid, it is vinegar contain acetic acid. That is the common name is here acetic acid. Okay, and coming to here, this is a also aliphatic acid. This is also aliphatic acid. If you go for aromatic acid means C6H5 COOH, this is a benzoic acid. These are all, it is having a water carboxylic acid. How it is obtained? Some of carboxylic acid is found in nature. It is some of nature means it is having a formic acid, it is obtained from acetum, and formicus, and acetic acid is obtained from acetum. On these basis, common name they were considered as aldehyde also. If it is a acid, formic acid is there means if the aldehyde coming means formaldehyde. Here acetic acid is there, if the aldehyde coming means acetaldehyde. If the amide coming means formamide, if the amide coming means acetamide. On these factors, we will go for common name system on the basis of source only the carboxylic acid. Okay. Next we will go for Nomenclature of carboxylic acid. Nomenclature of carboxylic acid, common name and IUPAC name. In common name, you have to pronounce is a suffix. In common name, you have to pronounce the suffix is ic acid. Okay. Common name. If the one carbon, formic acid, 2 carbon, acetic acid, 3 carbon, propanoic acid, 4 carbon, butyric acid, ic acid. In UPAC system, IUPAC system, instead of E, you are pronounced it is a alkane. Instead of E, you have to use oic acid. Oic acid. In common name is ic acid, IUPAC name is oic acid. Let us go for one by one. It is what is the carboxylic acid is common name and IUPAC name. The first one, we will go for first one. 1 carbon, this is a 1 carbon. The common name is formic acid. It is a common name. Common name is ic acid. Next, coming to the formic acid. How many carbon? 1 carbon. 1 carbon means the word root is methane. Instead of E, you have to pronounce methanoic acid. Next one. 2 carbon. 2 carbon means CS3 COOH. CS3 COOH. The common name is acetic acid. Common name is acetic acid. IUPAC name 2 carbon is there. 2 carbon. Ethane. Instead of E, we have to pronounce ethanoic acid. Next one, 3 carbon. If the 3 carbon means CS3 CH2 COOH, 3 carbon. The common name propionic acid. IUPAC name propanoic acid. Coming to 4th carbon. Next 4 carbon CH3 CH2 COOH. How many carbon? 4 carbon. The name is butyric acid. IUPAC name butanoic acid. In case if the branches is coming, the substituent group is coming, it is a alpha position, beta position. Listen here, this is a butanoic acid, butyric acid. If the branches is coming means CH3, CS3, COOH. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is iso branch is there. The name is isobutyric acid. Isobutyric acid. Next of the carbons here, carbonyl is there. Carbonyl. Next of the carbons it is alpha. Next one is beta. Next carbon is there gamma. alpha methyl butyric acid, and another name is isobutyric acid. Go for IUPAC name. In IUPAC name, you have to consider including functional group of carbon 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl, 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl propanoic acid. 2-methyl is prefix 2-methyl propanoic. 2-methyl propanoic acid. 2-methyl propanoic acid. This is the isobutyric acid, and IUPAC name is 2-methyl propanoic acid. Next we will go for 2 molecules of carboxylic acid, COOH. COOH. It is 2 molecules of carboxylic acid is coming, means that is common name is oxalic acid. Common name oxalic acid. One oxalic acid and another oxalic acid. How many carbon we have? 2 carbon. The 2 carbon means here ethane 1, 2. Ethane 1, 2. Ethane 1, 2 dioic acid. Listen here. Here also ethanoic acid, but 2 carbon which contain 1 carboxylic acid, 2 carbon which contain 1 carboxylic acid, but 2 carbon which contain 2 carboxylic acid. That's why we are pronounced is a dioic acid. Dioic acid is a monoic acid, that is oic acid. Listen here. If the oxalic acid is there, you should remember one bicarboxylic acid means. Next we will go for another one. It is another one. Same COH. Listen carefully. COOH here also, and here also COOH. 2 molecules of carboxylic acid, 2 molecules of carboxylic acid. Here one CH2 is enter here. 1 molecules of CH2 is enter means the common name is malonic acid. In entrance examination you should know the common name, is very important. Oxalic acid, and it is a malonic acid. 3 carbon, it is a malonic acid. Number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3. How many carbon? 3 carbon is there. 3 carbon is there means it is a IUPAC name propane. IUPAC name propane. 1 and third position is acid is there. 1, 3 dicarboxylic acid. Sorry, 1, 3 1 propane, 1, 3 dioic acid. 1, 3 dioic acid. Okay. Next one, 8th one. Same COH. How many carbon introduced? 1 carbon introduced. Next we will go for 2 carbon. COOH. Another COOH. 2 molecules of carboxylic acid is contained here also. How many carboxylic acid? 2 molecules of carboxylic acid. Total 1, 2, 3, 4. How many carboxylic acid? 4 carboxylic acid. But the common name is very important. Succinic acid. Succinic acid. Here common name is succinic acid. How many carbon you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon means we have to pronounce butane. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 4 position is there. 1, 4 dioic acid. This is the succinic acid, IUPAC name butane 1, 4 dioic acid. Next one. Next one, if same COH is there, same here also carboxylic acid, here also carboxylic acid, COOH, here also COOH. Listen here, no CH2 group, one CH2 group introduced here, two CH2 group introduced here. Next we will go for 3 CH2 group. Total how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the common name is glutaric acid. Common name is glutaric acid. It is a 5 carbon is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Glutaric acid. IUPAC name here the double carboxylic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5. Okay. How many carbon total? 5 carbon is there. 5 carbon means you have to pronounce pentane 1, 5 dioic acid. Pentane 1, dioic acid. It is a introduce of CH2, 3 in oxalic acid. Last one in aliphatic carboxylic acid. Same we are writing here COOH. Here also COOH. Suppose we are line this is a carboxylic acid. This is a oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. 1 CH2 enter means it is a malonic acid. 2 CH2 enter means it is a succinic acid. 3 CH2 enter means it is a glutaric acid. If we add a 4 CH2, if we add a 4 CH2 entered here means how many carbon here? 4, 5, 6. How many carbon? 6 carbon. 6 means hexa. Here common name is adipic acid. This is very important. Adipic acid we are using in polymerization. Okay. Adipic acid. Total how many carbon? 6 carbon is there. The hexa is a 6. The numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 6. 1, 6 dioic acid. Okay, these are all it is having a structure of carboxylic acid is a common name and IUPAC name. You should remember in common name you have to use it is ic acid. Listen here, we are using here ic acid, ic acid, ic acid, ic acid, ic acid. Okay, completely IC acid. Here oic acid, but in common name if the substituent group is coming means sum of compound here CH3, CH, Cl, CH2, COOH is there means carbonyl compound. Listen carefully, if the carbonyl compound is there means next carbon is you have to pronounce alpha, next carbon you have to pronounce beta, next carbon you have to pronounce gamma. These are it is a common name. In case IUPAC name means we have to consider number including carbon also. In common name should not consider carbonyl compound. Next carbon you have to consider in common name you have to alpha, beta, gamma. In IUPAC system you have to consider including carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In the common name is here some branch is there beta position, that is a common name beta chloro. Beta position is a chloro is there, beta chloro 1, 2, 3, 4. How many carbon? 4 carbon. Beta chloro butyric acid is common name. In IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 position is here 3 chloro. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many carbon? 4 carbon. Butane. Here ic acid. Here common name is ic acid. IUPAC name is butanoic acid. Okay, this is very very important in common name and IUPAC name of carboxylic acid. This is adipic acid. IUPAC name is hexane 1,6 dioic acid. Okay, these are the common name and IUPAC name of carboxylic acid. Next we will go for nomenclature of aromatic carboxylic acid. Aromatic carboxylic acid means, suppose we are writing this is a benzene which contain carboxylic acid. The common name is benzoic acid. Common name is benzene is there and carboxylic acid is there. Common name is benzoic acid. In IUPAC name, benzene, okay, benzene carboxylic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid, or we will go for same name, it is a benzoic acid also IUPAC name. We can tell it is a benzoic acid also IUPAC common name as well as IUPAC name. Okay. Next, if the aromatic compound which contain adjacent carboxylic acid, 2 carboxylic acid, the common name phthalic acid. If aldehyde is there means phthaldehyde. If amide is there means phthalamide. Adjacent carbon, the benzoic acid, benzene which contain carboxylic acid, adjacent carbon means it is a phthalic acid. Okay. Next IUPAC name benzene, listen here, benzene, the numbering it will 1 and 2 position is there. Here benzene 1, 2 dicarboxylic acid. 1, 2 dicarboxylic acid. You have to consider separate. This is a benzene and carboxylic acid. This is a benzene dicarboxylic acid. Which position is a adjacent carbon is there? That is a dioic acid. This is a benzene. If carboxylic acid, here also carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is which position? Opposite position. Here which position? Adjacent position. Each carbon is adjacent to each other. 1, 2 position. But here opposite means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Benzene, dioic acid. Which dioic acid? 1, 4 dioic acid. Benzene 1, 2 dioic acid. Benzene 1, 4 dioic acid. But the common name is terphthalic acid. Terphthalic acid. IUPAC name benzene 1, 4. Benzene 1, 4 dicarboxylic acid. 1, 4 dicarboxylic acid. Okay. Next we will go for, if the compound which containing alpha position, ortho position, meta position, here COOH and another substituent group is there means, here carboxylic acid is there, here nitro group is there, here which position? Ortho, meta, para, meta position, here meta, nitro, benzoic acid, meta-nitrobenzoic acid. In IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. Going this side means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to lowest number you have to take 3-nitro benzoic acid or benzene carboxylic acid. 3-nitro benzene carboxylic acid or 3-nitrobenzoic acid. You can write here 3-nitrobenzoic acid. In aliphatic compound, sometimes what will happen, here COOH, okay, one carbon compound, and attach with here also CH2, COOH. Next compound is also CH2, COOH. Here the common name is not there yet. IUPAC name, you have to consider IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. So numbering will go for here, number in a generally UPAC system what they are told. If you go for numbering, you have to consider carboxylic carbon also, but here also carboxylic compound is there, here also carboxylic compound is there. Should not consider this one. 1, 2, 3, okay. 1, 2, 3 means how many carbon is there? Propane, okay. Propane, one carbon which contain carboxylic acid, second carbon also which contain carboxylic acid, third carbon also which contain carboxylic acid. Propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Tricarboxylic acid. This is the nomenclature of IUPAC name of organic compounds. If the aromatic position is there, we are already discussed in the previous year nomenclature of organic compound, ortho, meta, para. This is a meta orientation is there. If sometimes it is some of organic compounds here, one of organic compound here this is a not a benzene ring, this is a cyclohexane, here carboxylic acid is there. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid, cyclohexane carboxylic acid. This is the IUPAC name of cyclohexane carboxylic acid. In case it is a double bond is coming means it is a benzoic acid. Okay, these are another examples of carboxylic acid. Next we will go for structure of carboxylic acid. The carboxylic acid this is a general formula of carboxylic acid, the structure of carboxylic acid. Here electrons is shifted to here and here which contain 2 lone pair of electrons. Coming to here resonance structures, carbon, here single bond, here electrons is stored. When it is a double bond formation, this is a carbocation and oxygen is anion. Next here oxygen which contain lone pair of electrons, single bond is converted to double bond. When the double bond formation, the resonance structure of carboxyl group, carbon minus double bond oxygen, hydrogen, here positive charge. Again here the H plus is shifted to here. When the H plus is shifted to here means here OH C double bond O, means it is a carbonyl compound. It is a lie on the plane of symmetry. Compared to the carbonyl carbon is more electrophile. But here the carbonyl carbon is less electrophile because both side oxygen is there. In aldehydes and ketones, what will happen? Aldehydes and ketone, here both side carbon or carbon and hydrogen is there. That's why it is a electrophilic nature is electrophilic carbon is a negative charge, but in carboxylic acid it is lie in 120-degree angles. It is 120-degree angles. It is a resonance structure of carboxylic acid. Next we will go for preparation of carboxylic acid from alcohol. Alcohol general formula RCH2OH. Alcohol is oxidized with oxidizing agent potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, okay, any oxidizing agent in alkali media, okay, to form carboxylic acid. Means here alcohol, it is a addition of oxygen, that is called as oxidation. Addition of oxygen. How many oxygen is there required? Is 2 molecules of oxygen. Listen here, our carboxyl alcohol is RCH2OH. This is a alcohol. When alcohol is oxidized with potassium permanganate, it is oxidizing agent. Given oxygen, how many oxygen is given? 2 oxygen is given. 1 oxygen added to here and another oxygen is added to here. You will get a 1 carboxylic acid is RCOOH and 1 molecule is released, that is water. Okay, this is a simple preparation of carboxylic acid from alcohols. Okay, you take examples CS3, CH2OH. This is the name is ethanol. When ethanol is oxidized with potassium permanganate in alkali media, okay, in alkali media to form carboxylic acid CS3COOH plus water. Here the name is ethanol and this is ethanoic acid or acetic acid, and you take long chain of carboxylic acid. Long chain means CS3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH. What is this one? How many carbon? 1 plus 8 9 plus 1 10. This is decyl alcohol or decanol. Decanol is oxidized with another oxidizing agent. It is a chromium trioxide and sulfuric acid. This is very, very important. It is an oxidizing agent. The name is Jones reagent. Okay, this one also we can use the butyryl alcohol is converted to butyroic acid. Here also decanol is converted to decanoic acid. CS3 CH2. How many molecules? 8 molecules. CS3 CH2 COOH plus released 1 molecules of water. Okay, you take examples of butyl alcohol CS3 CH2OH. Okay, this is a normal butyl alcohol. When the normal butyl alcohol is react with the Jones reagent. Jones reagent means combination of chromium trioxide and sulfuric acid. It is also given oxygen. How many oxygen it is given? Here 2 oxygen, here also 2 oxygen to form butyric acid, CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. The common name is butyric acid. IUPAC name is butanoic acid. Here also decanoic acid. These are all it is having a preparation of carboxylic acid from alcohol, but you take aldehyde means aldehyde general formula is RCHO. Oxidized with aldehyde also is oxidized with potassium permanganate solution in presence of alkali media. It is given how many oxygen? Only 1 oxygen, RCOOH. RCOOH. Okay, this is aldehyde converted to carboxylic acid. If you take here aldehyde, here CH3, CHO, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is oxidized with potassium permanganate. Acetaldehyde is oxidized with potassium permanganate to form acetic acid. Okay, these are all it is having a preparation of carboxylic acid from aldehydes and ketones. Next we will go for the second method, preparation of carboxylic acid from alkyl benzene. Preparation of carboxylic acid from alkyl benzene. This is also important reaction when the alkyl benzene means methyl benzene. Okay, methyl benzene, another name is toluene. When the toluene is oxidation with potassium permanganate in presence of alkali. Alkali means potassium hydroxide, which undergoes oxidation to form toluene or methyl benzene is converted to benzoic acid. You take here oxidizing agent means it is given how many oxygen? 3 oxygen is given and potassium hydroxide is there. To form benzoic acid and release the 2 molecules of water. Just you listen here, I will show you explanation. This is here the benzoic acid, toluene. Okay, toluene is react with potassium hydroxide. What is the formula of potassium hydroxide here? Potassium hydroxide KOH. How many oxygen is there here? 3 oxygen. 3 oxygen means suppose I am adding 1 oxygen here and remaining 2 oxygen here, 1, 2. How many oxygen? 2 oxygen. And 1 the substituent product it will form here C6H5COOK. C6H5COOK, potassium salt of benzoic acid or potassium benzoate. Okay, this is the name is potassium benzoate. Potassium benzoate is react with any acid hydrolysis at certain temperature to form carboxylic or benzoic acid. This is a very important preparation of alkyl benzene or toluene using an oxidizing agent like potassium permanganate in alkali media. Okay, in irrespective nature of if the long chain of hydrocarbons, if it is a long chain of hydrocarbons is there means, this is very important. If the carbon which contain here CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, CH2, CH2, CH3 means here also propyl benzene. Okay, the name is propyl benzene. Propyl benzene is react with alkaline KMnO4s. Here also alkaline potassium permanganate. Using alkaline means it is a potassium hydroxide which undergoes oxidation. The bond is break, it is a methylene compound, irrespective long chain of organic compound to form a potassium salt of sodium benzoate plus CH3COOK. Here is a oxygen. How many oxygen is here required here? You see here, I am using a 2 molecules of potassium hydroxide. I will take here C6H5, CH2, 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 CH2. Next you will go for CH3, CH3. We are using potassium hydroxide. How many molecules of potassium hydroxide? Here KOH and one more molecules of KOH. It is a propyl benzene and potassium hydroxide. We are using oxidizing agent KMnO4. KMnO4 is given oxygen. How many oxygen is given? 1 oxygen is given means it is a sodium potassium salt of benzoic acid, and here also 1 molecules of here CH3 COO, 1 molecule CH3 COOK. Here also 1 molecules of oxygen. The another product it will form here CH3 COOK. Next, coming to the oxygen here 1 oxygen, 2 oxygen, 3 oxygen. How many molecules of water is released? 3 molecules of water. Here it is a removing of 3 molecules of water. You will get a potassium salt of carboxylic acid. Potassium salt of carboxylic acid is eat with acidic media or acid hydrolysis to form benzoic acid. Okay, benzoic acid. This is the preparation of aromatic acid from alkyl benzene. This is a no matter, the methyl benzene is converted to carboxylic acid, but here the alkyl means it is having a propyl benzene is there, but the methylene group is bond break. Irrespective nature of alkyl group, you will get a carboxylic acid. Generally we are thinking a CH3 is converted to COH, but yet what will happen, the methylene group is breaked to form benzoic acid. Okay, this is one of the oxidation. How many oxygen is consumed here? Total the 5 molecules of oxygen and released 3 molecules of water. Okay, this is the preparation of carboxylic acid. Next we will go for preparation of carboxylic acid from nitriles and amides. Nitriles which undergoes acid or base hydrolysis. What is the general formula of nitriles? RC triple bond N, RCN. Nitrile which undergoes acid or base hydrolysis. Either it may be we are using acidic media or we are using basic media. Okay, acid or basic hydrolysis to form intermediate or CONH2. Okay, nitrile is react with acid or base hydrolysis to form that is amide. Which amide? Acid amides. Acid amides. This is the general formula of alkane nitrile. Alkane nitrile. This is a nitrile. If we get amide, acid amide, which go for further hydrolysis and certain temperature to form carboxylic acid and released ammonia. Okay, this is the first step, preparation of carboxylic acid. Listen here, the nitriles, suppose I am writing here nitrile, general formula RCN, nitrile which undergoes partially hydrolysis. You should remember what will happen to the nitrile which undergoes acid hydrolysis. Right equation means you have to write nitrile is react with acid hydrolysis to form amide, and amide which undergoes further hydrolysis to form carboxylic acid. What will happen? The nitrile is react with partial hydrolysis means we have to stop here, intermediate. Partial hydrolysis means we are getting amide. If you go for further hydrolysis means you will get carboxylic acid. Okay, here partial hydrolysis means nitrile is react with water. You can write here water H2O. When H2O is there means here the 2 double bond is shifted to here. The 2 double bond is shifted to here. What will happen? RCONH2. RCONH2. This is an intermediate product. When intermediate product is go for further hydrolysis means again we will go for acid hydrolysis H2O. Again we had H2O means HOH. Okay, you will get a product. The one product is carboxylic acid, another product is ammonia. Okay, this is the important factor. If you take here instead of R means acetonitrile. This is a acetonitrile or methyl cyanide. Acetonitrile or methyl cyanide is which undergoes hydrolysis, acid or base hydrolysis to form CS3CO NH2. You should remember name. The name is acetamide. Name is acetamide. Acetamide which undergoes further hydrolysis to form here also further hydrolysis means you take here HOH, CS3COOH, acetic acid, CS3COOH and released ammonia. This is the name is acetic acid. Acetic acid. This is a important reaction. How to prepare carboxylic acid from nitrile, or sometimes what will happen when acetonitrile or nitrile which undergoes hydrolysis. Write the equation means you have to write this one. Next we will go for from amides. From amide means you have to take any amides. You take aromatic amide also, Benjamide formula C6H5 CO NH2. C6H5CO NH2 is a Benjamide. When the Benjamide which undergoes hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, each certain temperature. Here also it is hydrolysis HOH, C6H5COOH, C6H5COOH and released NH3. The name is benzoic acid. Okay, these are all it is having a preparation of aliphatic acid and aromatic carboxylic acid from nitrile and amides. They will ask 2 marks question, very very important. Next we will go for another important, the preparation of carboxylic acid, another important preparation of carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. Okay, this is very very important. They will ask 2 marks question, how to prepare carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. Okay, what is the formula of Grignard reagent? What is the formula? RMgX. This is the Grignard reagent. Okay, first one you have to write the Grignard reagent. General formula RMgX. This is a Grignard reagent. When the Grignard reagent is react with solid carbon dioxide or dry ice. Okay, solid carbon dioxide or dry ice which undergoes electrophilic and nucleophile. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen is more electronegative, carbon is electropositive, means electrophilic carbon. Here also MgX is always plus, R is minus. Here R is attacked to plus, it is in presence of dry media, dry ether, in presence of dry ether. Here you should remember here carbon, okay, double bond, one double bond, one when it is a nucleophile is attached to carbonyl carbon, sp2 iodide is converted to sp3 iodation, means double bond is converted to single bond. Same you have to write here CO and CO, double bond is converted to single bond. When the single bond, here positive charge is there, opposite is negative charge, R is attached to carbon and MgX is attached to oxygen. MgX is attached to oxygen. This is called intermediate compound, that is called Grignard complex. Grignard complex or adduct or intermediate. When intermediate which undergoes acid hydrolysis, HOH or COOH, general formula RCOOH plus MgOH. Okay, this is the name is carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. Okay, you take examples of Grignard reagent. You take examples means you take CS3, MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide. When methyl magnesium bromide is react with dry ice in presence of dry ether, okay, dry ether or carbon disulfide, we can use carbon disulfide solvent, okay, to form here same, instead of R, CS3, CO, double bond is converted to single bond, O, MgBr. This is called Grignard complex, which undergoes hydrolysis, to form, HOH, CS3, COOH plus MgBrOH or MgOH-Br. Okay, this is also preparation of carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. They will ask here also 2 marks. This is very very important. This is also important. Sometimes they will ask it is having a they are given examples is Grignard reagent. Sometimes they will ask bromocyclohexane. This is a bromocyclohexane. Okay, it is react with magnesium in presence of dry ether. Okay, A, and it is react with carbon dioxide and water to form B. Okay, they are given H plus H2O. What is A and B? Sometimes they will ask examination. First one, when exile bromohexane, cyclohexane, when the this is a bromocyclohexane is react with bromocyclohexane is react with magnesium. Okay, bromocyclohexane is react with magnesium in presence of dry ether to form cyclohexane magnesium bromide. Cyclohexane magnesium bromide is react with carbon dioxide, same parameter, is react with carbon dioxide and which undergoes acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis, the product is formed cyclohexane carboxylic acid and MgOH Okay, this is also sometimes they will ask instead of R they are given aliphatic compounds, aromatic compounds or any examples. Okay.